Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. Today is Memorial Day here in the United States. Let's remember the fallen heroes. Last night we were in Taiwan where I prepared spicy Taiwanese pepper shrimp. This is a fast recipe to prepare, because it's very basic. Garlic, ginger, lots of spices, a lot of pepper, shrimp, a little bit of rice wine, and a little bit of green onion. That's it. But it's very tasty. It's got a nice peppery spiciness to it. Not a chili spice or heat. But if you like shrimp, you like a lot of good pepper spicy, this is a dish for you. It'll be posted up, I promise. Today, because it's Memorial Day, I'm doing teriyaki dogs with grilled pineapple, and on the side and a snack is my pea salad. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. Simple hardware, 2 fry pans. Yep, that's all I need today. For the pea salad, I'm halving this recipe. Normally I do a full one, which is because Rob and I would have it for snacks and whatnot. So 1 pound of peas. I'll be using only 8 ounces of this sharp cheddar, which I will cut into small cubes. Diced red onion, bacon, kosher salt, black pepper, mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, and I like to add Mexican oregano. So that's the pea salad. For the hot dogs, it's obviously hot dogs, buns, bacon, pineapple, and I actually like, if I'm not making my own, I actually like Panda Express's Mandarin teriyaki sauce. So, super simple meal on this American holiday. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.